Well, hot temperatures across southeast Texas this afternoon. Take a look at our Beaumont time lapse from my camera here. You can see the clouds working from south to north off the Gulf. Had a few scattered showers today. Most areas staying dry though. You can see Skycam, the clouds working on off to the north, and drier air beginning to work in off the Gulf of Mexico too. So that not really helping either as far as the rain chances go. Our Roofing 911 Skycam camera over in Lake Charles at LeBaris Casino. Look at that, mostly clear skies, a little bit of haze in the atmosphere, some of that Saharan dust beginning to come back as well. Now rain chances, as we've talked about yesterday, on the way down for the next 3 days at least, but they'll be back. We'll talk about that in a moment. Only a 10% coverage tomorrow, so can't rule out one or two little isolated showers. Not expecting any rain Tuesday or Wednesday. Still expecting a pretty good chance though by late Thursday into Friday as a front works in from the north and stalls out in the area. And as we head into next weekend, still some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast at that time. So that's some good news. At least we're seeing some showers back in the forecast 3 or 4 days of hot, dry weather coming up. Upper 80s, lower 90s across the area. Some high clouds streaming in from the northwest. That's about it. 100 in Wichita Falls, and finally, look at that, College Station. They didn't hit 100 degrees today. That's the first time in weeks. And of course, there's our remnant low down in South Texas. 98L moved on shore earlier today, producing heavy rainfall in South Texas. You can see that one started winding up nicely, almost became a depression as it worked in the coastline there just south of Corpus, but they've been very, very dry too. So that's welcome rains as that tropical system works on in. High pressure is rebuilding over our area, so that means drier air and fewer showers and thunderstorms. We'll look at the moisture associated with the system in South Texas. We've got a little bit of moisture still left here, but it's drying. We have dry air, look at that, working in off the Gulf of Mexico. Not much rain expected over the next 2 to 3 days, but as we showed you a while ago, that will change as we head into late Thursday and the end of the week. As high pressure dominating the upper atmosphere will build in, it's going to weaken by the end of the week. Big trough comes down in the east. That'll bring that front on down. This evening, it'll be quiet temperatures to around midnight, 75 degrees. So yeah, warm, muggy night, but with some drier air coming in, temperatures may be a couple of degrees cooler at night. We've seen the last couple of nights. In fact, by tomorrow morning, some lower 70s. Not too bad, especially up in the lakes area. And throughout the day tomorrow, will warm rapidly throughout the 80s and eventually the mid 90s. Going to be a hot Monday coming up with very little, if any, chance of rain at all tomorrow. And temperatures, of course, a little bit cooler along the coast, mid to upper 80s there. So temperatures warming up, heating up, atmosphere drying out, so that means fewer showers and storms. Your marine forecast, look for southeast to south winds up to about 10 knots, seas to 3 feet, water temperature 87 in the Gulf of Mexico. Tonight, mostly clear, warm and humid. Maybe some lower 70s in the morning, not too bad. Mid 70s in the triangle as we get some drier air in. Tomorrow, just not much of a chance of rain. If you see a shower tomorrow, you're very lucky. That coverage only 10%. And heating up, we're looking about highs in the middle 90s. And your 10-day forecast, no rain at all expected Tuesday, Wednesday. Just partly cloudy and hot. But things will change. We're getting late Thursday into Friday. Front works in and stalls. Look for at least a 50% coverage. Showers and thunderstorms late Thursday into Friday, and still a 40% coverage on Saturday.